Well, let me talk to you about something very special, and I can't wait for this, like many of you out there, I'm sure, which is the introduction of the brand new range of aero poles from Shimano. And let me tell you, these are special. Now there's 3 poles within the range, and at the top of the range we've got the Aero Pro. We've also got the Aero X7 and the Aero X5. And let me tell you, these are absolutely incredible. Without a shadow of a doubt, in all the years I've fished, I have never in my life picked up a pole that's as stiff and well balanced as these. They are unbelievable. So what actually makes them so special? So let's talk about the footprint of the pole, which is the carbon. And we've sourced the highest grade carbon possible, and that's giving the poles ultimate stiffness, balance, control, just that whole feeling of fishing with the pole, even at those longer distances, an absolute joy to use. We've used now really high grade carbon because of the taper. You've got that strength, that reliability, that authority in your fingers, but that recovery down at the bottom end, which is the most important end. As the pole taper down towards the tip, you've got that response and that recovery. So regardless of your terrain, whether you're on natural waters or commercials, you've got a pole that reacts and recovers extremely quickly, even in high winds. That's going to maintain good bait presentation. You're going to hit more bites. You're going to catch more fish. You're literally just going to win more matches. That is why these poles are just so good. During the period of developing these poles, I've used these poles in a variety of different situations, from natural waters where you're fishing with big rigs, heavy olivet, striking through in deep water, setting that hook, swinging out silvers, catching loads of fish, loads of bites. You've got that recovery, yet at the same time on commercial waters where you might be fishing 16 metres up to foliage on the other bank, really short lashes, dotting that float down, striking all those little indications. You've got a pole that recovers instantly and gives you that ultimate balance, control, performance and bait presentation. Like I said, that alone is just going to help you catch loads more fish. Now, also within the whole range of the poles, we've created a really nice smooth finish on the pole, and I'd say it's one of the most important aspects of a pole is that everything works efficiently regardless of the length that you're fishing. If you've got a pole that is ultra smooth through your fingers, you're going to get less tangles, you're going to be quicker, you're going to be more efficient. You're literally going to spend more time in the water fishing, getting bites, catching more fish. That to me is what pole fishing is all about. So if you want to know a lot more detail about each of these poles, then check out the videos on the Shimano website.